When you buy a wig, you want a wig which is 100% for yourself. You do not want a wig which is for everyone, factory made. And Joice Hair will be the company which can customize the wig for you. We can supply you the wig which is 100% for yourself. Hello everyone, this is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you our wig. And this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, 20 inches. And firstly look at the hair, how thick, and this is made of the Chinese hair, and also it's a HD lace frontal. And look how melted is this HD lace. It's on the tactile, the best lace. And also this hairline is pre-plucked. You can see how well pre-plucked is this hairline. It's very realistic. You do not need to pre-plug yourself no more, and this hairline is already pre-plucked, very beautiful. And inside we can see is our 13x4 lace frontal wig is actually have a full size of 13x4 lace. You can see it's full size, so you will have much more bigger space for party. So on the side it's also 13x4. So, and inside is the band straps, and also have the clips, have the combs. Actually you can do this customization. If you are not a fan of the band or comb, you can actually tell us to remove it and just leave your message when you order the wig. We will be there for you. And this is made of the Chinese version hair. Look at the silky and the luster of the hair. This hair can be bleached to 613 to any color, and this hair is very silky. It's a natural silky straight hair, so you do not need to iron it. It's silky like this, and after you wash, the luster even getting more and more. And this is very beautiful. And look at the end of the hair as well. It's very healthy. I'm sure when you touch the hair, you will feel this hair is so good, so nice, and so healthy. And we can also do with the Remy hair, as we know that our Remy hair is Southeast Asian. Remy hair is also very nice. It's softer, it's very smooth, and no tangling and no any issue with the hair. So we can do any type of hair quality you want, and we can do all the customizations as well, like different hair textures or different hair colors or different hair size. If you want to make the hair which is perfectly for yourself, you can feel free to contact us or make an order on our website and leave your message what kind of customization you want. I'm sure Joice Hair will offer you the wig which is 100% for yourself, perfect for yourself. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.